Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my hood. Okay, I look kind of because I'm tired and I just got off work. Today is an exciting video for me because okay, for starters, I used to have like a little playlist series thing going on my channel of where I unbox these monthly, basically witch boxes is what I call them. Because one is a witch box, this one not so much. It's kind of like a urban, new age witch box, and the other one's kind of, it's more aesthetically pleasing. But anyways, I had those going on, and I'm bringing them back. I am bringing them back. And so we got a box in the mail, and it's from Goddess Provisions. You know, what does it say? Awake your inner goddess. That's so cute. This is Goddess Provisions. These aren't sponsored, of course, because I don't make money from YouTube. I do this because I want them. Like, I pay these boxes with my money that I work for at my job. Alright? So, we're gonna open the box. This is what we looking like, you dig? I haven't opened it before. I literally just ripped off the thing. Okay, so we got, there's usually a card, if they still do it. Yeah, there's a card, but I like looking at the stuff first. So I'm gonna pull things out of the box, and then I'm gonna read what's on the card. Oh my god, stuff is falling. Oh, okay, this is different. Okay, so the first thing I pulled was this. Okay, and it says Konjac Facial Cleansing Sponge infused with French pink clay for normal to dry and sensitive skin types. Okay, so we're gonna open it. I'm intrigued. Huh. That's what this looks like. It's a sponge. It's hard because it's a sponge and it's not wet. It's 100% natural. And by the way, all their stuff is vegan, which is great because, you know, it's just better for the freaking environment. And we love natural things over here in Nia Naturally, of course. Anyways, I'm gonna read the description that's in the card. These are different now. Okay, it says soften in water to gently cleanse your face and stimulate skin renewal for a healthy, dewy glow. This sponge is made from a plant 100% biodegradable. That's so nice! Okay, now we have, what is this? Is this a glass straw? Oh my god!
My god! Wow!
Okay, so it says simply straws for every beverage. That's what it looks like. Can y'all see? Okay. Women owned. That's dope. Cold, hot, BPA free, durable. It's supposed to last forever and is dishwasher safe. That's so cool. And on this thing, it says the earth will smile because you're opting for a BPA free reusable straw. Use it at home or take on the go to avoid plastic straws. That's so good. I'm so happy. And it comes with a little cleaner. This is what the straw looks like. And it says Simply Straws on it. And it has like their logo. And it has a cleaner thing to clean your straw. That's so cool. I love this. This is dope. That's cool. We're saving the earth. We're saving the earth. Okay, so Goddess Provisions sends like the best candles ever. And usually they're like soy candles. Yes, it's a soy candle. So it says natural soy candle, handcrafted in old Seminole Heights. It is called Forest. Okay, before I open this, I already know it's gonna be pretty, okay? Because Goddess Provisions, the people that they link up with to get candles like these are so great and they smell so good. But this is why I love their candles. Look at that. Look at that. Now what candle do you know comes with herbs, flowers, and crystals inside? Do you you see that? And there's a crystal in here. I'm gonna dump it out. There's like a little crystal in here, and sometimes they're bigger. But look at that. That is so, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. But I love their candles from God's Provisions. And it says, lilac and willow forest candle, light this beautiful soy candle dressed in forest floral, and allow the essential oil combo of cedar, pine, spruce, vanilla, and eucalyptus to transport you into nature's deep glory. This is a $12 value. And this box altogether is like, I want to say $33. I'm pretty sure it's $33. And let me go over the price of this straw. It's $11, and this sponge is $17. Like, so you definitely get your money's worth, and it comes every month, a new box. Okay. So we have this. Okay. It's called Wild Crayon compostable lip balm made from wildflower oils. The ingredients are sandal flower, cocoa butter, gardenia wax, shea butter, chia seed oil, jojoba oil, sea buckthorn, rosemary, like all this other good stuff. So apparently it's chapstick. We're supposed to twist. Okay, we're twisting. It doesn't smell like anything. Okay. Okay, so this is how you, yeah, okay. That's cool. It doesn't smell like anything, kind of sad, but maybe if I rub it on my lips. No, still doesn't smell like anything, but you know, it's nice. It's moisturizing. It's really nice. And this is $7. Yeah, this is $7. But it says, nourish and protect your lips with this 100% plant-based vegan balm featuring wildflower oils. You can even compost the tube when you're finished. So compost the tube, you know, if you had like a compost pile or something. That's dope. And this is $7. And also, when they send you stuff, if you continue to buy from these brands, like Goddess Provisions don't make these. They go with brands and they put it all together in their box for that month. And they come with coupon codes. It's cool. Alright, what's next? What's next? Okay, so we're gonna do this. Is this a facial mist? Okay, so we have this Light Body Creations Earth Goddess Mist. And it looks like this. Okay. And it says, spritz this blend of Jupiter, cedar, cypress, spearmint, cinnamon bark, myrrh, and Bevettier essential oils on your body or in the air. Reground your senses and to connect to your roots. And this is a $16.50 value. Alright, and we're going to spray it. I had this other thing. It was kind of, I used it as a facial mist, and it was great. And I'm glad we have this because I was all out. Ooh. Good. That's refreshing. Alright. Alright, what's next? What's next? We got a crystal. Usually they do include like a crystal. They're not like raw or rough crystals, really. They're usually like smoothed down. But this is our crystal. You know, add to our crystal collection. And it's serpentine. Serpentine? No. Serpentine or serpentine, and it says this stone can help you discover your true ideals and take responsibility of your life. Work with it to connect with the elemental beings as a steward of the land. That's good because, you know, sometimes you need to know what your true intentions are, you dig? But yeah, this is pretty. Alright, what's next? Alright, it says soul. scarf. It says Matterhorn Fair Trade Shibori scarf. Shibori, I don't know. It says grab this scarf before heading out into nature and feel beautiful on the inside, knowing it's 100% cotton and handmade by Fair Trade Indian artisans. It's a $25 value. Ooh, this is pretty. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Just kidding. I would not. I don't wear scarves on my neck. I would wear it on my head. With it. Yeah. Ooh, Bohemian Goddess. Yeah. It's made out of 100% cotton. Made in India. India. I definitely love Goddess Provisions. They're such a good company. Their boxes are so nice. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love making these videos because I like getting boxes in the mail. It makes me feel like it's my birthday or something.